All of you must have experienced hiccups at some time, but do you know why they happen? A sudden and involuntary contraction of the diaphragm muscle causes hiccups. The sound we hear is because when the muscles contract, the vocal cord opening shuts to check the inflow of air, thus leading to the characteristic hiccup sound. Though hiccups can be quite harmless, they can be very irritating as well. Here are some simple ways to get relief from hiccups. Quickly drink half a glass of water or take a tablespoon of sugar and keep it at the back of your mouth and suck on it gently. Take a cup of curd and add about 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well until the salt dissolves and have this slowly for quick relief from hiccups. To a pan, add about 2 to 2.5 cups of water. Add about 6 green cardamoms. Let this boil until it is reduced to 1 cup. Once it cools, strain this liquid using a fine muslin cloth and drink this to stop the hiccups. Swallowing a teaspoon of honey can also stop the hiccups. Take a small piece of ginger, wash and peel it, chop it and then suck on it. Take a bowl and add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds or sarson and add half a teaspoon of ghee. Mix it well and swallow it for quick relief. Eat slowly, avoid aerated drinks and spicy foods, de-stress and live healthy. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit the like button and leave a comment letting me know what you feel, and remember to check out our other home remedies. Eat healthy, stay healthy and lead a long happy life.